Hi guys, if you're looking for a great USB power solution for your car port adapter, then this could be an awesome solution for you. It's a 4-in-1 with 2 retractable cables supporting 2 times USB-C, even Lightning and standard USB-A. So there's pretty much everything which this one can power. We have even some extra functions like light, and it shows the battery voltage. So I'm going to take it out of the box, show you what you get, and then I'm going to test it, how much power we really get, because it says maximum power 90 watts. And so here's this device, really nice, sturdy, beautiful. And so we have these retractable cables. We can just pull it out in any length, and when we want to retract it, we can max it out and then pull it back. This is as easy as ever possible. We have even this flexible joint, so this should work pretty much for every car situation. Really nice. What's important to know for you, that even when we are pulling 90 watts, we are still below 10 amps, so you don't have to be worried about your car fuse. That's always a question when we are using car port, but here you don't have to be worried. That's really good. And so let's plug it in here. Of course, I could show that out in my car, but here I can test that much easier, much better. And so you can see the voltage here. We have the different lights, really nice, beautiful ambient light. It's even a light changing mode. You can see that here. And when we push, it switches to white. When we push, turns off. And so let's use the USB-C with PD. That's the highest power. And so I'm testing here the compatibility, and you can see a lot of green. We have Samsung, we have Apple, and especially we have PD 3.0 with PPS and even quick charge 4. Let's also see the PD triggers which are available. So we can use it with high voltage up to 12 volts, which is also a good thing. So we can charge a lot of items really fast, easy to change, really works. Doesn't only show the protocol compatibility, we can really use it. And so let's do a quick ramp up test to see the maximum power here. We are at 10 watts, 20 watts, 30 watts, 40 watts. And so we see 4 amps. I would say we had a cutoff of around 45 watts. So quite a lot of power. And so I've plugged in 3 phones to charge. Unfortunately, I don't have any iPhone here at the moment, but we could also charge even 4 phones at the same time. So I'm plugging this in here. So let's see if they start charging. This one is starting, and these as well. So you can see we are now charging 3 phones at the same time. And so I've let it run for a while. Let's see if this gets hot. No, absolutely not. So it looks like we have really good quality components, high efficient components here inside. So we are not losing too much power. It's not heating up, and still charging all these phones at the same time. I haven't been able to test the maximum total wattage, but we had 45 watts here, and if we calculate 15 watts on average for the other ports, that's another 45 watts, which means 90 watts in total. So I would say everything worked really nicely. There's nothing to complain. Absolutely beautiful, sturdy. So if you're looking for something like that, this could be a really good option. And so full recommendation from my side. And so if you're interested, I'll put down the link to the Amazon listing down into the description, so you can check it out and order one for you if you like it. And I hope I've been able to help you a little bit with this video. If you have any questions or comments, just write to the comment section below, and I'm always happy to talk about these things. And if you like the video, give me a thumbs up, subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching. See you next time.